was close.
Oh my God.
Hello everybody and welcome back to this beautiful planet Earth afternoon. Today, in the spirit of diversifying my content, we're doing a car review. This stolen Subaru. Oh my goodness. Well, that was unexpected. Welcome back to another very unplanned, unguided video. I am not, in fact, in a stolen car. This is actually Matt's car, who's detailing my car, and probably gonna give me a whole bunch of shit about how screwed it is, mechanically speaking. But anyway, I'm going to his house now to swap cars back, but then we're going to a place called or some park that starts with. What we're doing now, I don't know who we're meeting up with. Apparently there's going to be a guy with a Civic, a guy with a built Subaru of some sort, and a guy with a Fiesta. So quite the testator we're going to be dealing with today. And then me, I don't know where I fall in that range. I'm probably below the Fiesta. I guess even if it's not stolen, we might be able to do a small car review. CVT transmission, car shit. That's all right, great, review done. We're back at the Matt's. Well in fine detail. I'm very tired today, I don't know why. Oh, why does it have an STI badge? Stop it. Get some help. What's about to be wrong with this and why?
Oh, that, yeah. It's knocking.
Sick.
So.
Now when you say knocking.
Detonation.
Okay.
So like.
How often?
Always.
Okay, sick. That's really good. And what was your proposed reason as to why it was doing this?
You have an air pump delete and just like no tune.
Luckily, I'm pretty sure we haven't done any irreversible damage because I've only been driving it like that for 2 years. Let me get in here. You real long. No weird shit, but you shit. What's up? Nice. Okay. All right. So what's the problem?
Okay. So dam is supposed to be.
It's supposed to be at 1.
Yes, 1.
Okay. So what does that mean?
That's at 0.6.
Well, no. So what does that mean?
That means the car is pulling timing to get it to run right.
All right. So what's the next thing?
The next thing, just knock. So that's consistent even when you start it. Normally cars don't knock until you like get into boost and start. Yours knocks at idle. So that's about it.
Okay, alright, sick. Oh, hello.
You go real slow and he'll go around.
What the hell? Oh god, walkie-talkie.
Makes the exit.
This is all much more, this is more official. Oh god.
Flashback Friday.
We just passed a place where Matt's car blew up.
So pretty. I'm gonna say that it's so fucking pretty. It won't do it.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at the pretty. Oh, my legs are in such pain. This doesn't look like we're gonna be here for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go jump on some rocks. Did you just, are you hissing at me? Are you squaring up right now? I just wanna mind if I, this is really happening. Okay, fine. They didn't want me to do parkour. They really weren't about it. Like he's eyeing me down. Oh my god. I didn't get along very well with wildlife. They didn't like me. It's kind of like middle school all over again. Onward. Hey, you got some streaks in your car, man. What's up with that? Why do I feel like this car's gonna be faster than mine?
Probably will.
Yeah, I'm not trying to die.
Car
One's over.
Well, that was cool. Maybe we should do a scout lap before we make loud noises. What? Okay. Oh, there's a sign. Okay, that's good. This sign is good to know about. What the f***? What's happened to my handbrake? What?
Did it just not work?
It didn't lock up. Yeah.
Take the U-turn.
It's not locking up. Damn it.
Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Do whatever you want.
I just like... You want to get out and record it from this turn?
He's gonna try it again, Al, with me outside. Close.
Oh my god. Oh, that was a little stressful.
So we're done?
No, I just not be. All right, so less of that, more of success.
That's a bush. Hey, I don't know if you realize, but there's a bush over there.
So there is. And we're just less death. I really think maybe I need to just adjust my handbrake tensioners because it's not wanting to lock. Maybe I should also get a car that's actually supposed to do this. Oh, there's a throw bearing. There it is. I really like blue tire tar in my eyes on the last one, so I'm satisfied with some of those. Oh, come on. Oh boy. Where is everyone? I call that a great learning experience. I didn't die, and
I almost did.
You almost did. The car didn't blow up yet, but we still have to drive home for that to happen. And that's my throw bearing. And I almost got in the turn that I came back after 2 years of wanting to do. So that's an overall success, I call it, for the day. God, the throw bearing is horrible. Ugh. Look at this pretty place. What? What's up, guys? Apparently he's Finnish. That means he knows how to drive a car. That's racism at its finest. Positive racism. That's what we're all about. Deer. Bye, new friends. Oh, well, I technically know you for like 2 years, but you're still feels new. Not gonna lie, the Fiesta sounds better. Now for light painting. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. I swear if you follow through with this joke.
And stop.
Okay. All right. I was actually good. Thank you, sir. Still knocking it idle.
Oh, sad.
These drugs are bad.
Oh.
God. So, like, is there an exotic bug in there?
Get it out of the car. 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 Out of the car. Out of the car.
Oh, red's kind of cool.
That's like salmon.
That is not red.
Oh, okay, there we go. Are they okay? Did someone just die? Should we make conversation?
No.
Awkwardly tribal?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Nope.
No thanks.
All I can imagine is the ASCF video. Wow, it's just you, me, and the moon. Hey! What? This?
Yeah.
Drugs?
That makes sense. Okay.
Did you guys like squash the alien bug or whatever?
Yeah.
Sick. That's good to hear.
I hate bugs.
Shit, my windows are down.
All of our windows are
All
down.
of our windows are down.
I probably won't like my car. This should be smells.
It's the brightest though, so they might.
You're the brightest.
Thank you.
I said it. Why don't you just poverty shame me for not having a $5 Amazon backup camera?
That's what we're doing.
That's what
Thanks.
we're doing.
I really appreciate it. I've missed you so much. Oh, they're dying again.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh no.
Kill it.
In a spotted bother. Who owns all these other cars? Where are they at?
Hiking.
Hiking?
These are all hiking trails.
Why are they hiking now?
It's Friday.
It's like How to Die 101. I feel like 0.68 with a dynamic advance multiplier is rather drastic.
It's
Yes.
not great.
Maybe I would have been able to hold the turn if I wasn't knocking so fast.
Yes, because it would make more power instead of pulling timing.
Maybe if it was just tuned.
Maybe I don't need your stats. I don't know. Oh god.
Not the slightest.
That was half a donut actually.
That's a oh, I'm scared.
Going under the circle.
He just parks it there.
I'm gonna end myself now.
Don't do that. It's bad for your health. For those of you that subscribe from the VinWiki video, coming here to see if we learned anything, the answer is a resounding no. Matt, wave. Say hi to your mom. It's like me with pneumonia. Oh god, wait, no, don't. Okay, give her the beans.
That's bad.
That's not great. I feel like we're really all bonding in this parking lot. This is great.